Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? That's good. Okay, girls, let me start my own lesson for today. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me, girls, what's the day today? Today is Wednesday. Let's spell the word Wednesday together. Wednesday. Again, Wednesday. And the date is 27 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson today. Now we have balloons game. Let me ask you question number one. What's question number one? Where are you from? I am from Saudi Arabia. Now I will throw one balloon. Number two, where do you live? I live in Saudi Arabia. I live in Taif. Now I will throw one balloon. Number three, make one sentence using as plus adjective plus as. Amal is as short as Layla. Now I will throw one balloon. Number five, what do you think about a dolphin? I think a dolphin is cute. Now I will throw one balloon. Number six, give me two common sports. We have tennis, football, basketball, horse riding, and volleyball. Now I will throw one balloon. Number seven, give me two dangerous sports. We have scuba diving, skydiving, hang gliding, bungee jumping, and rock climbing. Now I will throw one balloon. Number eight, make a sentence using the comparative adjective. Amal is taller than Layla. Now I will throw one balloon. Sorry, girls. Sorry. Now let's see question number nine. Make a sentence using the present continuous. Amal is as present continuous. She is watching TV. She is watching TV. Now number nine. Number 10, make a sentence using football. Amal is playing football. Okay, girls? Now, let's start my own lesson for today, girls. Unit 3, lesson 3. It's about sports and activities, as you know. Page number 22 and 23. Now we have the comparative adjectives, and you know this definition before, girls, are used to compare between two things, two persons, and two animals. In the comparative adjectives, we compare between two persons, two things, and two animals. Okay, what about superlative adjectives? Are used to compare between more than one person, more than one thing, and more than one animal. Okay, girls, let's see the examples first. For example, we have the adjective tall, okay? And the adjective dangerous. Okay, girls? And the comparative adjective. We have the adjective tall and the adjective dangerous. Okay? Listen to me carefully, please, girls. In the comparative adjectives. So, let's see the first adjective. We have the adjective tall. How many vowels do I have in the first adjective? In the adjective tall, I have only one vowel, which is A, right? So I have one vowel. What about the adjective dangerous? How many vowels do I have? One, two, and O-U, one vowel. It will be one vowel because we have two letters together. So in the adjective tall, we have one syllabus, I mean one vowel. In the adjective dangerous, we have three vowels. Okay, we have three vowels, A, E, and O-U. Okay, girls? So, if you want to compare between two things, two persons, and two animals using the adjective tall, you should say what? You should say Amal is taller than Selma, for example. Okay, girls? Okay, if you want to compare between two things using the adjective dangerous, what should you say? You should say, for example, a shark is more dangerous than a dolphin. Okay, girls, you see the difference between these two sentences? Now, again, Amal is taller. Sorry, Amal is taller. Amal is taller than Selma, and a shark is more dangerous than a dolphin. We add just the word more. Okay? Now, let's see the superlative adjectives, girls. The superlative adjectives are used to compare between more than one thing, more than one person, and more than one animal. We have the adjective tall and the adjective dangerous. Okay? Again. Now, let's see. We have the adjective tall and the adjective dangerous, girls. Listen to me carefully, please. Listen to me carefully. Now, we have, let me compare between more than one thing. I can say Ellie is the tallest person in the class. Okay, Ellie is the tallest person in the class. What about the adjective dangerous using the superlative in comparing more than one person, more than one thing, more than one animal? I should say a shark is the most dangerous animals. Okay, is the most dangerous animals. Okay, girls? Okay? Easy or not? I think it is very easy. So the tallest person and the most dangerous. Now, let's see. Long adjective. What do I mean by long adjective? I mean more than one syllabus, more than one vowel. As what? Dangerous. Okay? Let's see this schedule. We have long adjective, exciting. How many vowels do I have? E, I, and I. Boring, O and I. Dangerous, A, E, and OU. Difficult, I, and U. Three vowels. So, long adjectives in the comparative adjectives, more exciting. Superlative adjective, the most exciting. Boring, more boring. The most boring. Dangerous, more dangerous. The most dangerous. Difficult, more difficult. Superlative adjectives, the most difficult. Let me give you an example. For example, tennis is more exciting than basketball. Superlative adjective, tennis is the most exciting sport. Okay? Now, use the comparative adjectives in the following sentences. Number one, rock climbing is, we have the adjective dangerous, then bungee jumping. Let's see, I compare between rock climbing and bungee jumping. I should say is more dangerous. Okay, more dangerous. Number two, horse riding is exciting than cycling. We have horse riding and cycling. This means that I compare between two. So I should use more is more exciting. Okay, girls? Let's see number three. Math exam is difficult than an English exam. Now I compare between math exam and English exam. So I should say more difficult. Okay? If you want to compare between two things, you should use ER. Then if you have one syllabus, and you should use more than the adjective then if you have more than one syllabus and if you compare between two things. Okay, girls? Now use the superlative adjectives in the following sentences. Hang gliding is the dangerous sports. We have hang gliding and all sports here. So as the most dangerous is the most dangerous. Two, horse riding is the exciting sports. I compare between horse riding and all the sports. So is the most exciting. Is the most exciting. Okay, girls? Now choose the correct answer. A shark is than a seahorse. A shark is Then a seahorse. We have a shark and a seahorse. And we have the adjective dangerous. This means that more than one syllabus. Now I compare between two persons, so the correct answer is more dangerous. Okay? Why should not use most dangerous? Because here I compare between two animals just. Now, hang gliding is the sports. Now I compare between hang gliding and all the sports. So hang gliding is the most exciting sport. Now let's listen, girls. Listen, please. Listen, please, girls. Open your books, page number 22, and listen.
Listen, point, and chant more and most.
Horse riding is more exciting than cycling. Is it? Rock climbing is more dangerous than jogging. Really? Roller skating is more exciting than running. Is it? Hang gliding is the most dangerous. What's the most exciting for you?
Okay, girls. More and most. Horse riding is more exciting than cycling, is it? Rock climbing is more dangerous than jogging. Really? Roller skating is more exciting than running, is it? Hang gliding is the most dangerous. What's the most exciting for you? Okay, girls? Now, let's see the second slide. Let's see the new word that we have today in my lesson. Let's remove number 3 to see what's the secret word. Can you see what's the picture? No. So I will remove number 4. Now, can you guess this bird? What's this bird, girls? It's falcons. Again, falcon. Again, falcon. Falcon. Again, Falcon. Falcon. Okay, girls? It's a bird. So, falcon. Falcon. Now, challenge time, the traditional sport of falconry. Falconry is a popular sport in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Many people have falcons that are trained to hunt other birds and animals. Falcons are very strong birds. They can fly fast and dive even faster. They see very far, so they can spot animals that are kilometers away. They have very sharp talons that they use to attack and catch their prey. They are amazing to watch. Okay, girls? Falcons is a popular sport in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Many people have falcons that are trained to hunt other birds and animals. Falcons are very strong birds. They can fly fast and dive even faster. They see very far, so they can spot animals that are kilometers away. They have very sharp talons that they use to attack and catch their prey. They are amazing to watch. Now, read and say if the sentences are true or false. Number 1. Many people in Saudi Arabia like falconry. Yes, true. Falcons slow down when they dive to catch an animal? False. Falcons can see very far? Yes, true. Falcons have soft talons? False. They have sharp talons. Okay, girls? Now, I want you to copy this passage in your notebook, girls. Please copy this passage in your notebook and don't forget to write the day with the date. Okay? Now, you have a homework, girls, of course. Page number, girls. Sorry, wait, please. Page number 91 and 92. Page number 91 and 92. I want you to write as the song more and most using different sports and activities, then match the sports and what you need. Then here read and copy. You can do this from the reading passage that we have just read. Okay, girls? This is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.